Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage Microsoft Teams mobile notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon or initials in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open up your account menu where you can access various settings and preferences. From there, tap on Notifications. This section is where you'll have complete control over how Teams alerts you about different activities, messages, and updates. It's important to customize these settings so you're only notified about what truly matters to you without being overwhelmed by constant alerts throughout your day. You'll see several categories including general activity, meetings, other, emails, and block notifications. Each of these sections controls different types of notifications so you can fine-tune exactly what you want to be alerted about. Let's start by managing your general activity notifications. Tap on General Activity. Here you'll want to make sure all Teams notifications is enabled or turned on. If it's not already enabled, tap the toggle switch right beside it to activate it. This ensures you receive important updates about activity happening across your Teams workspace. Below it, tap on Teams General and make sure it's turned on as well. This controls notifications for your overall Teams activity. Additionally, you can allow full screen notifications by tapping the toggle switch right beside it to turn it on. Full screen notifications make alerts more visible and harder to miss, which can be helpful for urgent messages or updates. Once you've configured those settings, tap back to return to the main notifications menu. Now tap on Meetings to manage how you're notified about upcoming events and calendar items. This is particularly useful if you attend multiple meetings throughout the day and want to stay on top of your schedule. Look for Notify For and tap it. You'll see options to select whether you want notifications for all meetings, accepted ones only, or none. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and preferences. This gives you flexibility depending on how actively you want to monitor your meeting invitations. Below it, you'll see Remind For. Tap it and select whether you want reminders for all events or none. This setting determines whether you get advance reminders before your scheduled meetings start. Just below it, you'll see Send Reminder. Tap it and you can select whether you want to be reminded 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day before your meeting begins. Choose the timing that works best for your schedule and gives you enough preparation time. After setting your meeting preferences, tap back and enable any other notifications you want. Feel free to explore the remaining categories like Other and Emails based on your preferences. Each section offers different notification options that you can turn on or off depending on what's important to you. And that's it. You've now customized your Microsoft Teams mobile notifications to fit your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.